Diving into the world, your ultimate guide to traveling abroad after 40. Embarking on an international journey for the first time after hitting the big 4 is thrilling, yet it can also stir a mix of anxiety. You now travel with a wealth of experience, clearly aware of what you seek, whether it's embracing a different culture, finding tranquility, or checking off a dream destination. But stepping into the vast world beyond your borders comes with its own set of challenges. Feel confident in your plans and open to new adventures with this friendly, informative checklist just for you. First things first, passports and visas. Before clicking confirm on those flight tickets, ensure your passport is up to date. Remember, many countries require it to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. It's wise to handle renewals or applications well ahead, as they might take longer than expected. Visa rules vary, so do your research on what's needed for your particular destination. It's smart to prepare early and have both printed and digital copies of these crucial documents, just to be safe. Don't overlook travel insurance. Travel insurance isn't just a safety net for lost bags or flights canceled. It's also vital for healthcare abroad. For those with pre-existing health conditions, make sure your policy covers them. Visiting your GP is a smart step too. Depending on your destination, vaccinations or preventative treatments might be necessary. If you rely on regular medication, bring more than enough to cover your trip, plus a bit extra for unforeseen delays, and have copies of your prescriptions on hand. Managing your money. Informing your bank about your travel dates and destinations can help avoid hassles like blocked cards due to suspected fraudulent activity. It's wise to carry a blend of payment options, credit cards, debit cards, and cash in the local currency for smaller purchases. To sidestep hefty fees, consider using cards specifically designed for international travelers, as they typically offer better rates with minimal foreign transaction charges. Packing like a pro. With experience comes the wisdom of packing light. Opt for versatile clothing that you can mix and match, suitable for the climate and local customs. A lightweight scarf or wrap can be a versatile addition, whether for warmth on a chilly plane or modesty at religious sites. Don't forget practical footwear. Comfortable shoes or sandals are a must, especially if sightseeing is on your agenda. Items such as reading glasses, sunglasses, and spares are easily overlooked, but essential. And in today's connected world, make sure you pack chargers, a travel adapter, and perhaps a power bank to keep your devices running. Staying connected and safe? Ahead of your trip, explore options for mobile connectivity. Setting up international roaming, getting a local SIM card, or carrying a portable Wi-Fi device can keep you in touch with home and guide you on your travels. Activate tracking features on your phone for an added layer of security. And don't forget to share your itinerary with someone trustworthy, particularly if you're traveling solo. Journey prep don't have to be daunting. A well-stocked carry-on, complete with lip balm, moisturizer, earplugs, and a sleep mask, can make the trip more bearable. Staying hydrated is key to feeling refreshed, and compression socks might be your best friend on those extended flights. Now, here's a question. Do you think people over 40 face unique challenges when traveling abroad? Do you agree with this guide? Or do you have your own tips to add? Let's dive into this discussion. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.